In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group Outlook emails by conversation. This is a handy feature that helps you keep track of all related emails, making your inbox more organized and easier to navigate. By grouping emails, all messages from the same thread will appear in one place, allowing you to follow the conversation seamlessly. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to log in to your Outlook account. If you're not already logged in, open your preferred web browser and go to the Outlook website. Enter your email address and password. Then hit the Sign In button. Once you land in your inbox, you'll notice the various emails listed. Grouping these by conversation will soon make this space tidier and more efficient. Next, let's focus on the top menu bar where you'll find a series of tabs. Look for the tab that says View and click on it. This tab is crucial because it allows us to customize the way emails are displayed in your inbox. Clicking on View will present you with several options that control the arrangement of your messages. Now that you're in the View menu, the next step is to click on Messages. This section gives you further options on how your emails can be organized. In Outlook, messages can be sorted in a variety of ways, but today, we will focus on organizing them by conversation. Within the Messages section, look for an option labeled Conversations. Go ahead and select it. By doing this, you tell Outlook that you would like your emails grouped based on threads. Each conversation will group all related replies, which is quite useful if you're handling multiple email chains. Following that, we need to refine how the conversation list is displayed. To do this, look for Message List and select it. This helps in setting up how detailed the conversation view will be. The goal here is to streamline your inbox so that conversations are more coherent and less cluttered. Lastly, you'll want to enable the feature by clicking on Group Messages by Conversation. This final step activates the conversation view, ensuring that all emails from the same thread are neatly compiled. This makes it much easier to follow dialogues without sifting through scattered messages. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your Outlook to group emails by conversation. This small adjustment can significantly improve your email management, allowing you to handle projects or personal communications more effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing your digital workspace.